In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use hashtags on LinkedIn. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Understanding how to effectively use hashtags can truly amplify your visibility on this professional platform. So, let's dive right in. The first step is to log in. Open your favorite web browser and navigate to the LinkedIn website. Once you're there, enter your login credentials to sign into your account. This step is essential as you'll need to have access to your LinkedIn network to share your content. Next, we need to start a post. On your LinkedIn homepage, look for the Start a Post box. It may look like a blank canvas waiting for your thoughts and insights. Click on this box to open up the post editor where you'll be drafting your update. Now it's time to write your content. Enter your insights, ideas, or professional updates that you want to share with your network. Keep your message clear and concise, as LinkedIn users appreciate straightforward communication. Once you have your text ready, you'll want to insert hashtags. Begin by typing the hash or pound symbol followed by a relevant keyword. For example, you could use hashtags like networking, career, or industry news. As you start typing, you might notice that LinkedIn will suggest hashtags that match what you are entering. Clicking on these suggestions can help save time and ensure you're using popular tags. Choosing your hashtags strategically is crucial. Focus on selecting hashtags that are directly related to the topic you're discussing. Think about who you want to reach with your post. This consideration is vital in maximizing your engagement. Incorporate a balanced mix of broad hashtags like hack marketing alongside more niche hashtags such as Hackers Digital Marketing Tips. By doing so, you'll position your content effectively, allowing it to reach a wider audience while also appealing to a specific group interested in your specialized content. After you've added your hashtags, it's time to post your update. Take a moment to polish your text. Proofread for any typos or grammatical errors to ensure professionalism. Once you are satisfied with your message and you've included your hashtags, click the Post button to share your insight with the broader LinkedIn community. Remember, the right hashtags can significantly increase the visibility of your post. However, moderation is key, so don't overdo it with too many hashtags. A good rule of thumb is to use 3 to 5 relevant hashtags to maintain clarity and focus. And there you have it. You've learned how to use hashtags on LinkedIn effectively. By following these steps, you can enhance your posts and connect with the audience that matters to you. Don't forget to keep experimenting with different hashtags to see which ones best resonate with your content and audience. Thank you for watching today's video on using hashtags on LinkedIn. Happy posting!